Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video today. Y'all, we are going to be checking out the new circus update in Animal Company. Sorry, I am late to it. I couldn't get on yesterday. Sorry, y'all. But we're gonna go check it out. So if I'm bringing a flashlight, I'm bringing a shotgun, and if I'm bringing a bag, I think I should get a revolver instead because that makes like a lot more sense. Yo, why is my thing spazzing? Oh my god, it's so stupid. Let's get it back. Let's get it. 3 ammo. And should be good to go. I'll be scared, and I'm doing this alone, bro. Just shows how brave I am, guys. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. And I did not know that you can mine that, bro. But what the nope. I hate clowns. Oh my, why does she keep on appearing? I'm scared. Why did I do this alone, bro? That was the circus. No, this is not the time, State Drift. This is not the time. I am scared out of my boots. Do I go in here? Guessing I go in here. What? Ooh. Yo, what the heck? What the freak? Oh, heck no. No. You tweaking. Nah. I'm staying right up here. Oh. Heck no. No. I don't play these games. What is my State Drift doing, bro? I'm actually about to crash out. Bro. Where's the kids? No. Let me get up. Stop, State Drift. Stop. Oh, bro, can this thing stop before I crash? Oh, heck no. Gotta somehow make this. Oh, nah, get me out the wall. What the heck is this? Jump in. Animal Company cooked. I do not care what you say, bro. They cooked. Whoo. Oh yeah. Tough. Oh my, I'm so tough. Oh my. Ooh. Guess. Yeah. Heck no. Get me out of here. Get me out of this circus. Get me out. What the? Yeah, I'm going back. Okay, bro. Stupid thing. Heck no. Hold on. I'm sorry. Oh wait, what? I can like trampoline out of here. Oh, bye. Like trampoline out of here. Bye. Okay. Yep. Okay. Oh my gosh, what scared me. Oh my. Y'all, you do not know how scary that is. It made me mad. I'm gonna put that. Bro! Seems like it's gonna piss me off. I gotta take something out. What should I take out? There we go. Yeah. Get this out of here. Put that in there. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I did not mean to do that. Alright, bro. Oh my, bro, that was so stressful. Alright, so now we know we gotta lock in. Oh, wait. I think I should bring this. This probably help out like a lot. And then, yep, we should be good. Oh my, y'all don't understand. I hate clowns. I'm not. What the heck? Like, you could be clowns on me. But, like, I'm not scared. Oh my mother of my freaking goodness. Frick. I forgot those things, bro. They were just camping there waiting for me. That's actually like D1 Glaze, bro. Like, why you want me, bro? Glaze. Get me up! Oh my gosh. That scares me so much. Nope, I might actually have a fear unlocked. Bro. Get me onto this. Alright. Oh, sorry, I'm taking forever. I really wish I had somebody with me. But none of my friends are online, bro. This is so scary. Ah, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Alright, so we know that he... we know that he's in here. We know that he's in here. What the heck? What is this? Never got to this point. Never. Heck no. Heck no. Stay back. Stay back. Nope. Stay back. Stay. Holy shoot. Holy moly crack-a-moly. Oh my, I'm just cussed. Oh my, that just scared the living short out of me, guys. Whoa, this guy's following. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. Hello, hello. He could come in here? Oh, heck no. I think we come over here. Oh, yep. Oh, what the heck? No, no. Oh. Alright. What? What does this lead to? Hold on. Oh, at least to that. What? Do we grab it? Okay. Gotta put the star. Oh, yeah. Alright, so these things like lead you to them. That's pretty easy. That's easy. That's easy enough. Okay, if I can. Why can't I see anything? Did it just restart me? No. That is so unsigma. That is not fair. I was square. We got locked in. We got locked. Okay, triangle. Triangle. Let me see. Triangle. What we got next? What the? Nope. I'm not going on the ground. Where's the oh. Alright, bet, chat. That should be all of them, right? That should be all of them. Alright. What is this leading to? Alright, bet. Guess we just go? Alright. Did we beat it? Where do we go? Where do I go? Yo, what the lag? Yo, calm down, Jamal. Okay, hold on. Let me go back real quick. What does that? What? Get over here? No. Bro, show me, bro. This is hard. Okay, so it's showing exit ways. Do we go up here? I don't know. Okay, I might actually be dumb because what? I'm confuzzled. Okay, that sounded so stupid. I'm so sorry you had to hear that. But what? I'm just hearing freaking kids, bro. What do I do? Do I go through this? Like that does nothing. Do I fall? See what I mean? Like, yo, somebody tell me in the comments, where do I go? I heard there's like a boss fight. That's what I know. That's all I know. There's like a boss fight, big hand or something. What? This is so confusing. Like, genuinely confusing. Bro, do I have to pull like a whole video, bro? I'm sorry that you're staying for this long, but what does this do? Ah, heck no. Ah, heck no. Nope. Nope. Oh, that makes so much more sense. Holy oh my gosh. Nah, calm down. Calm down. That guy's face looks weird. Calm down. Can we not kill him? No, that's stupid. Don't touch me, you disgusting creature. Where do I go? Look at infinite loot. Ayo, AOG, I'm sorry. Heck no. That guy looks creepy. What? Nope. Why is there a skeleton right? Huh. Yeah, you little ugly bastard. Yeah, you want little kids. Yeah, you freaking weirdo. Yeah, caught in 4K. Yeah, you want little kids. Yeah, you freaking weirdo. Where do I go? Where do I, bro? This is like an infinite maze. This door? No. That's where I came from. Okay. Alright, we need to lock in. Okay, lock in. Holy moly, oh my gosh, bro, this guy's scaring me. Yes, my way out of here. My freedom. What? Yo. What the frick is that? Hi. Yo, what? What? Whoa. Animal Company cut. Oh my, I almost just died. Oh. What? Yo, what am I supposed to find? Yo! Fudge. Hey, calm down. Oh, nah, frick you. Frick you, Dad. Frick you. Hold on, bro. Let's explore a little bit, bro. Let's explore. Cause, whoa. So all you have to do is just beat that. Nah, don't put me back in here, bro. Don't put me back in here. Frick you! Frick you! Why you put me back in here? No! Frick, no. Why you put me back here? I just wanna go home. Whatever, bro. I'm gonna have the guy get me. Come get me, you scary clown. I can't even see you. Just take me, bro. Just take me, bro. Stop trying to freaking scare me, bro. Just take me. Take me, bro. I'm scared. I'm a banana. Just there here. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Oh, I think I could just come over here. Take me. Take me, you ugly bastard. Get over here. And oh, heck no. He just ate my head? Did he just eat? He just bit my head off. He just... Yo. Oh my gosh, Animal Company. You cooked with this update. Not even finna lie. That was insane. The sounds, the creepiness, y'all did amazing. And I just want to give y'all props for that. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you made it to the end, press, or just say boo. Say boo. I don't care. Say boo if you made it to the end. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and comment. Love y'all and peace.